subscribe to our channel. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like and comment. And I hope you enjoy. So this is my dog, tonight. I know you made a video about my family. Okay, let's go walk over here. Okay, look at him. What's this house? This is where he wants to go. Let's go follow where he wants to go. I'm sure using my tablet. I don't have a camera, so I just use my tablet on some things to use. I'm not using the camera. Put camera and things on YouTube. I think you send it to that person and they put it on YouTube for you if you want. I really want to play with Emily, but she's not here. Shatter. Going to school to see if she graduates to go to middle school or not. I think she is, but yeah. Just let him eat what he's eating, whatever he was eating. He wants to go here. Let's follow where he wants to go. Whoa. Oh. What does this dog want to go? It's too fast because my dog wants to go where he wants to. This is the little pet house. It's just like, oh, Turtle, stop. Turtle, stop. I want to show them. Because if that means they're going to put a house there. So sticks, they're going to put a house. Granted, there's no cars. Nope, no cars. No, we cannot go to this lady's yard. She's being crazy. That's for the cars. Those are the cars. Turtle, nope. Now, his turn is up. Wait, I picked up here. What kind of runs? Okay, so to the walk. I am picking one to go. Ashley, see this road? This is our tree. Turtle, stop. Turtle, stop. Turtle, stop. We call this tree the trick tree. This is what makes some tricks sometimes. I cannot do anything. But Michelle can a little bit, I think.